Welcome back students. This is your English teacher. In the previous video we had talked about official or complaint letters, and in this video we're going to talk about letter to editor. Now we know about the types of formal letters. There are two types, letter to editor and official or complaint letters. In the last video we had talked about official or complaint letters, and in this video we're going to talk about letter to editor. Before starting with this topic, you should know who's an editor. An editor is a person who has the right to edit news, to write news. So he has the power of media. And he's a very powerful person because we all know the power of media, right? So let us proceed. What is a letter to the editor? You feel strongly about an issue and you want to let people know what you think. You believe you can even influence people to take some action if you speak your mind. But you want to reach an audience larger than just your friends or your group membership. Letters to the editor can be an effective way to get the word out. A letter to the editor is a written way of talking to a newspaper, magazine, or other regularly printed publication. Letters to the editor are generally found in the first section of the newspaper or towards the beginning of a magazine or in the editorial page. Why should you write a letter to the editor? See, these letters to the editor are among the most widely read features in any newspaper or magazine. A lot of people read them. They allow you to reach a large audience. And there are many reasons. In this video, we're going to talk about some general ones. You're very angry about something and you want others to know about it. You think that an issue is so important that you have to speak out so that it can go to a large audience. Part of your group strategy is to persuade others to take a specific action. You want some people to be convinced. Suggest an idea. Influence public opinion. You want to change some people's mindset. Educate the general public on a specific matter. Maybe you know about something and you want others to know about it. Influence policy makers or elected officials directly or indirectly. Now this is very important. Policy makers or elected officials, you want to influence them. You want to tell them what is right, what is wrong, what is going on in your country or in your city. Publicize the work of your group and attract volunteers or program participants. Maybe you are doing some charity, you and your friends, and you want other people to join you. So you write a letter to the editor. So these are the general ones. Parts of a letter: sender's address, date, receiving editor's address, then subject, then salutation, then body, then subscription, and then the sender's name. Now sample letter. Sender's address, leave one line, date, then again leave one line, receiver's designation, receiver's address, leave one line, subject, alarming increase in the number of incidents of chain snatching and robberies, then leave one line, salutation, and then start off with the content. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities towards the menace of chain snatching and daylight robberies in the area. Now, why have I written these letters, these words in blue letters? Because in every letter to the editor, the beginning of the letter is this only. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities towards, and then start off with the problem. Now, second paragraph of the letter, this is the elaboration of the subject. Yesterday, some motorcycle-born youth sprinkled chili powder in the eyes of an elderly businessman, struck him on the head, and snatched his bag containing some cash and important documents. The gentleman was badly injured in the incident. In another incident, a woman was robbed of a gold chain in broad daylight. The sudden rise in the number of such incidents is a matter of grave concern and needs immediate attention. Then, third paragraph. Unfortunately, such cases are not high priority cases for the police department, and the victims are at a loss to know who to approach for the safety and security of their lives and property. I think security posts and gates and surveillance cameras and community vision can help prevent such incidents from happening. Thank you. Now this is the closing of your letter. Then thank you. Then yours sincerely, XYZ. So this is it. Your today's topic is over. I hope you've clearly understood this topic. If you have any problem, please approach me. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.